This is Sheila's new pet. It's a bug. Tell it to make noise, Sheila.
Make noise.
None of your pets mind you, do they?
They sure don't. At least this one doesn't. It's posing right now.
You posing? I want him to make noise. Come on, you little clicker. Oops. Don't let it fly loose.
It's not gonna fly loose.
The way you feel about spiders is the way I feel about bugs.
Spider to spider. This ain't a spider.
It's a bug.
It's not a spider.
It's a bug.
It's a different kind of bug.
It's got insect legs. It's bad enough.
At least this makes noise and lets you know when it's present. Spiders don't. They're creepy.
So that I can hear.
Spiders are creepy.
He's not making noise so far.
See, it's being quiet.
You told it to make noise. What happens if you pet his back?
Nothing.
He moves. What happens if you tap his back? He's coming here. I don't want him. If you lift him too high, he won't be in view. Oh, look, he does acrobats. You have insect legs on your fingers.
See, it made a noise.
Hmm?
Didn't you hear that noise?
Yeah, but it needs to make more noise. It needs to do the chirring that they do. Make noise, bug. Maybe if you pick him up. Keep him low, though. Don't take him out of the camera. Hold him upside down like you were. I think he's getting used to you holding him.
Backing up away from the camera.
Yeah. Your mom used to tie a string around your legs and you flew them around?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness. Where did y'all live when you did that?
Florida.
The Everglades?
No, not the Everglades. Wasn't that far out.
The swamps?
Nope.
It was near Okefenokee, I bet you.
I bet you it wasn't.
Where was it?
Jacksonville.
That's near Okefenokee, dear.
Oh.
You know,
Duval County.
the top of the Okefenokee swamps, the north end of it, is just on the outskirts of the Woodbine area. I'm about to run out of time on this thing. Can you pick him up with your fingers and hold him in your fingers upside down like you were when he was yelling a while ago? Was he making noise when you held him like that?
He was making noises when I was holding him up, right side up.
I think he's got comfortable.
Smile, you're on camera. Samsung.
It's cherry candied.
Cherry candied red.
That's candy camera, right?
Candied camera.
He's waving. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. My name's Cicada. Yeah. I told you not to let him go.
He decided he wanted to fly.
Don't you let him loose.
Oh God! I thought he was crippled. Come here.
Now that you've been screamed at. I'm telling you, if he flies this way, you're going to be sorry.
Give it that way.